48 hours, this is going to be a much busier place. Greetings from Redtail Lodge at Mountain Creek in Vernon, New Jersey. Here's what happened a few moments ago. This is the storm before the calm. Welcome to Mountain Creek's OctoberFest. Oh my goodness. A lot of sprinkles, and then it kept going in waves, and the waves got stronger, and then the big stuff came in. This is a real thunderstorm. But it won't last forever, because in another hour and a half this should be gone. And the weekend's gonna be beautiful. So be sure and come out and enjoy yourself. Eat, drink, be merry, and have friends. Eat, drink, and be merry, and fellowship with your friends. Yeah, there'll be bands too. Lots of cool stuff. Sorry I don't have any more cool German icons for you, but OctoberFest is this weekend. So if you're not doing anything and you happen to be close to Vernon, New Jersey, and you're looking for something to do, go to Mountain Creek. You're gonna have fun, food, and music. I couldn't think of a musical word that started with that. Oh yeah, here, I'll show you. Here's the entrance to the lodge. Look at the water coming off of that roof. That's amazing. And if you like cool stuff, we do have a lot of good episodes coming up. So, make it a great day. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, wheels up. Woo! Enjoy the rain, it'll be over shortly. Listen to that beautiful, beautiful rainstorm. Calming, peaceful, serene, almost hypnotic. I wonder if there's a backstory to that one.